Hi, everybody. I hope everyone's doing well and staying safe. So, I just wanted to upload a video to show you how to do your math. This week, we're going to be dividing fractions into whole numbers. So, I'm getting ready to show you how to do that. Okay. So, here we have two problems. All right. Oh, hold on. Let me go ahead and fix my number 6 over here. Okay. All right. So, number one is 2 divided into 1/3. And then number two is 1/4 divided into 6. So what I do want to share with you is that we will still use the same formula, but we have to be very careful. When the whole number is the first number in the problem, we have to make it into a fraction. You also have to make it into a fraction if it's the second number, but I do want you to see that sometimes you may get a whole number for your quotient and sometimes you may end up with a fraction. So let me show you how to divide both when there's a whole number either before the fraction or after the fraction. All right, so we have 2 divided into 1/3. The one thing we have to do is turn that 2 into a fraction. So you must remember that in order to turn a whole number into a fraction, all you have to do is add the number 1 underneath and make the number 1 the denominator, just like this. So it would be 2 over 1 divided by 1/3. All right, that is the first step. The second step, you must put your fraction into reciprocal form. Reciprocal form simply means you're going to flip the numerator and the denominator. So it will look as so. So it will still be 2 over 1, and this will then become 3 over 1. Okay? The thing is, when you do that, your division sign becomes a multiplication sign. And then you will go ahead and cross multiply. So you'll have 2 times 3, that gives you 6. 1 times 1, that gives you 1, aka 6. So 2 divided into 1/3 would be 6. Okay, so let's go ahead and try another problem in the same fashion. Just bear with me. Okay, so let me think. Let's say I'm going to change it to, let's say I'm going to make it 1/5. Okay, so bear with me, guys. Sorry about that. All right, so let's say I'm going to have 2 divided by 1/5. Same operation, all right? That 2 must turn into a fraction, so it will be 2 over 1, okay? Remember, the fraction over here, I need the reciprocal. So that means you are going to flip 1/5, and it would be 5 over 1. And you must remember that this division sign turns into a multiplication sign. So 2 times 5 equals 10. And then 1 times 1 equals 1, which means 2 divided by 1/5 equals 10. Okay, so let's go ahead and see once we have the whole number in the back of the problem.